Okay, looking at the final drawing on Intro to DraftSight and CAD drawing, we're using polar coordinate entry. And this is the best way to draw line segments at various angles. And so just like relative coordinate entry, you're going to be using some symbols. Again, you're going to be using the shift 2, which is the at symbol, the distance you're trying to go, in this case for each line segment a distance of 5, and you're going to use the shift comma, which is also known as the less than symbol. In this case it refers to angle. So at the distance less than the angle. So again, we're starting at our 0, 0 point right here. And again, we talked about the limits giving us enough room in case we go into the negative quadrant. And up here to the left kind of gives you an idea of how to get to where you're trying to go at specific angles. And in this case, the octagon, each one of these segments is going up at a 45-degree angle, 90, and you have to sort of add if you're going to the left. You're subtracting if you go to the right. So what do I mean by that? If I'm going here, okay, in this first case, I'm going off to the right. It's at 5 less than 0, or 360. So as I'm moving up in this direction, I'm adding degrees. At 5 less than 45. Moving up again, at 5 less than 90. So here I am at 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees straight up plus another 45. So at 5 less than 135, at 5 less than 180, and again, so forth and so on, I'm adding 225, etc. So we went through some of these in class, so hopefully either you have those entered or you use this video to help you out. Again, I'm going to take a screenshot of those coordinates and I'm going to paste those right in my drawing. So I'm going to copy those, and let's move over to polar coordinate entry. Okay, so again, we've shown you a few different models on how to figure out what the angles are. Again, I'm going to paste in my coordinates just by clicking and dragging. So I'm going to start at 0, 0, line 0, 0. My first coordinate here is at 5 less than 360. My next coordinate is at 5 less than 45. At 5 less than 90. And then we'll make our way back at 5 less than 135. Okay, and you can see how we're sort of making our way around. At 5 less than 180. At 5 less than, let's see, what's our coordinate here? 225. At 5 less than 270. Let's type that right. Straight down. And you can just continue this by typing in coordinate 0, 0. And that's it. That concludes polar coordinate entry using angles to draw some of these shapes.